How y'all doing? I wanted to talk about today why I named my business Dr. Hood. And if any of you have a background in public health, whether that's undergrad, master's, or doctorate, we learned in public health that usually when a health crisis hit, the top 10 reasons why people die in the United States come about. The most affected demographics are those in low income. And we also know that we usually call our low income areas, quote unquote, the hood. We divide neighborhood and we call it the hood because I guess we feel like the low income areas is missing something. Now, from an economic standpoint, we know there's usually not a quality grocery store. It's usually not a quality healthcare facility. Even the school systems in low income areas typically struggle with passing state standardized tests. And so there is a sometimes perceived opinion that this demographic of people is not worthy of having quality health care or access to quality foods, or they have low health literacy. So I wanted to change that. And so that is why the acronym HOOD stands for helping others overcome determinants. And determinants are obstacles that are placed in an individual's way, and it can be social or economic, that stops them from those things that I indicated. So just take when we had the pandemic in 2020, it was indicated that the demographics who were suffering the worst were African American people, or people who had concomitant medical conditions. And so those areas were targeted to help improve health outcomes. So that is why I named my business Dr. Hood. Doctor because I have a doctorate in public health, and Hood because it's an acronym to help those who might be overlooked, to get education to those who might not have access to it, to be an advocate for those who might not have anybody to be an advocate for them. So this is why I post things about, the month of May might be heart health, or September mental health, or September sickle cell awareness. This is why I post these things, to make sure people have access to the knowledge, because I want to reach those who may not be reached otherwise. So please don't take Dr. Hood as something negative, or something is worthy or not being listened to, because the information that I bring you is to help others, and for you to get stronger into helping yourself.